What's up, guys? Garrett here with Self.dev. Today we are not talking about something super technical. We're talking about the Dvorak keyboard layout. This is what it looks like. Supposedly it's more efficient, faster, and can help you. It can help like reduce repetitive wrist injury and prevent it too. I don't have it, but like if it can help me keep my wrists healthy so I can type faster and longer, that'd be awesome. I found this study or something from MIT. Net words per minute. That's not what I want. This thing, yeah. It's on MIT.edu, and it's Dvorak's claims according to blah, blah, blah. Where's the thing I want? Yeah, Dvorak found that it took an average of only 52 hours of training for the typist speeds on the Dvorak keyboard to reach their average speeds on the QWERTY keyboard. That's what we use right now, the QWERTY keyboard. By the end of the study, Dvorak's speeds were 74% faster than their QRTY speeds, and the accuracies had increased by 68%. So, I mean, if I can even get like a 10% increase in my speed and a 10% increase in, or 10% decrease in my errors, then this will be worth it for me. What I'm planning on doing, I got a keyboard. I'm going to switch the letters out, make it the Dvorak keyboard, and then there's this website I found. I don't know if it'll pop up right away, but let's see. No, that's not it. I think this is it. Maybe. Maybe this one, huh? No, this is somebody's. Yeah, I found some website with like Dvorak training on it that I'm going to use. I'm going to do 30 minutes a day, and I'm going to see where I'm at after 30 days here. So, yeah. And then here's some like cool stuff on Wikipedia. So this is with the QWERTY keyboard. Most common letter combinations require awkward finger positions. Also, I don't know if this is true or not, but I heard this on a podcast. The reason we use the QWERTY layout is because back when they had typewriters, if they used the Dvorak layout, they could type fast enough to where the typewriter would jam a lot of the time. So they had to use the QWERTY layout to slow typing down so the typewriters wouldn't jam. And it just stuck when we switched to keyboards. But the Dvorak's actually like faster and more efficient. So back to these cool facts. Most common letter combinations require a finger to jump over the home row. If you're using the QWERTY layout, the home row, that's like your middle row with the ASDFGHJKL. That's the home row. Most common letter combinations are typed with one hand. Most typing is done with the left hand, and most people are not dominant in that hand. About 16% of the typing is done on the lower row, 52% on the top row, and 32% on the home row. Now with the Dvorak layout, about 70% of keystrokes are done on the home row, which is the middle row. So 70% versus 32%. 22% on the top, and then 8% on the bottom. And the least common letter should be on the bottom row because that's the hardest one to reach. And they've only got 8% of the letters. 8% of the time you're using the bottom row, so that's good. The right hand should do most of the typing because most people are right hand dominant. And you want most of the letters you use to be on the home row because that's where the fingers rest, so you get to the letters quicker, and they're under the stronger fingers. So that's cool. Letters also typed with alternating hands increases the speed because it's rhythmic, and it reduces errors and reduces fatigue too. So that's just some cool facts about it. So yeah, gonna switch out my keyboard to Dvorak, see how it goes. I'll make another video maybe in like a week or two, do another speed test, see where I'm at, see if I'm improving. If you want to do the Dvorak challenge, go pick up a keyboard, take a typing speed test. Let's see. Yeah, this is the one I did. And it changes every time, so you can't like memorize what text you're writing. And you just type, and it'll give you the errors. If you're wrong, you get 60 seconds to see how far you can get, and it'll tell you your words per minute. I got like 55. Am I up here? No, because I didn't sign in. Because I didn't want to sign in. I don't want to make an account. But yeah, do this test. See what you're at right now. Let me know in the comments below, and then do the Dvorak experiment with me, and we'll see what we can get to and how much more efficient we can be at typing. And as developers, if you're a developer and you're typing most of the time, this is definitely something that benefit you, I feel like. That is a weird freaking keyboard. All right, anyway, if you want to join the Discord, link in the description. Come hang out in Discord. I do resume reviews and portfolio reviews. If you want to send me either one of those, links in the description. My LinkedIn's in the description if you want to connect on there. That'd be cool. And I think that's it. So I will see you guys next time. Peace.